Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the part 2 of our Apache web server tutorial. In the last video we set up an Apache on a Windows server and got it running over HTTP. If you haven't watched that video yet, I recommend checking it out first. The link is in the description. Today we are taking things a step further by securing our Apache web server using HTTPS with an SSL certificate. In this video you will learn how to generate a CSR, extract your private key, get your CSR signed by CA, install your SSL certificate into Apache and configure it run securely on port 443 with HTTPS. So by the end of this video your Apache server will be fully secured, showing the trusted padlock icon in your browser just like any real website. So let's dive right into it and get your server ready for the internet. So let's get started. Go to the search bar, type here cmd, then right click on it, run as administrator. Then first navigate to your Apache bin folder using the cd command c:/apache/bin. I have already typed the required command in the notepad. I am just opening the notepad and first copy the command. This command used for to create the CSR. Just copy it and paste it in the notepad. You can change the file name if you want to change your domain key and your domain CSR. If you don't want to, then keep it as it, then hit enter. Then it will ask for few details like your country name, your state, your locality, Delhi, then your organization name. I'm just typing NextGen Cyber. Then it will ask for organization unit, then it is IT, then your common name, keep it as it, NextGen Cyber. No need to enter the email address, just hit enter. No need to create the challenge password for the CSR, just hit enter. Again hit enter. Now your CSR will be saved in the Apache bin folder. Navigate to the same bin folder where you will see your private key and CSR file. See your domain key and your domain CSR. Open your CSR file in the notepad. Just right click on your file name and open in the notepad. And then first copy your whole content and navigate to the browser. In the URL just type getacert, CERT cert. Then hit enter. After then click on the first link. And then you need to click on the submit certificate sign request, and then in the blank box just paste your CSR content, then click on submit CSR. After then download your SSL certificate, just click on it and it will start downloading. After downloading your SSL, then download your change certificate, then click on it. Once you have downloaded both these SSL certificate, then navigate to the download location, copy both file and paste it in the Apache conf folder. Then navigate to the Apache conf, then paste it here. Then change the file name, keep it small, then save it. Then here we need to do one thing. We have our private key in the bin folder. So what we need to do first, that we need to convert our private key to the RSA private key. As I already said, I have already typed the required command in the notepad. Just copy this command to convert the private to RSA private key. Just copy it and paste it here and change the file name with the actual file name. Just remove the file.pam with your actual file name, your domain.key, then hit enter and you will see that writing RSA key. Then navigate to the bin folder, then here you see that your RSA private key is created. Then copy this file and paste it in the same conf folder. Go to the conf and then paste it here. So now we have our SSL certificate, our private key and our chain certificate. After then Open the http.conf in the notepad. Now we need to uncomment the 3 lines, then keep scrolling, find for the SSL module, and we need to uncomment this first line like our SSL module. Just remove the hash from the beginning. This is the first line where we need to uncomment the line, and this is the second line where we need to remove the hash from it. Then Control F, type httpd -ssl, find it, and also remove the hash from this line also. Remove it and then save this file with Control S and then close this file. After closing this file, navigate to the extra folder, then again open the httpd in the notepad and then keep scrolling, find for your server name, keep scrolling, keep scrolling, keep scrolling. Here you can see your server name. Just replace this www.example.com with your server IP like 192.168.203.128. Then scroll down. Here we need to give the path of our SSL certificate. So navigate to the Apache conf folder, go back one folder, then here we need to copy the full path of our SSL certificate. Just give your certificate name, copy it, and then go back to the httpd-ssl conf file and paste it here. After that, scroll down. Here we need to do the same with our private key. Go back to the conf folder, then copy our full path of our private key, then copy it and then go back to the notepad and paste it here. Then scroll down and here we need to give the path of our certificate change file. Then go back to the conf folder, do the same, copy the full path of our change certificate, copy it and go back to the notepad and then paste it here and save this file. After saving this file, just close this file, close all the files. Now go back to the search bar, type here services, open the services app and then click on the Apache. So before taking the restart of our Apache server, so let's check if our site is working on HTTPS. Navigate to the browser, type here https:// your IP address, just enter your IP address here, :443, just hit enter. See, it's not working on HTTPS, so let's check it is working on HTTP or not. So just remove this command and then type http:// your IP address, hit enter. See, it is working on it. So go back to the services. Why we take a restart? As I said in the last video that we need to take the restart whatever we made changes in the files. So just take a restart of the server. After taking the restart of the Apache server, again navigate to the browser again and then in the URL again type https://192.168.203.128 and then :443. Hit enter. Then click on advanced, then click on continue to. Now you can see that our Apache web server is successfully working on HTTPS. Then click on it and click on here, then click on certificate icon to see the SSL certificate details, issued to, issued by, get a cert, and your SSL certificate issued on this date and SSL certificate expired on this date. And that's it. Your SSL certificate is now successfully installed and configured on your Apache server. Now your website is secured with HTTPS, which means all communication between your server and website is encrypted and safe. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any question or run into issues, feel free to drop a comment below. I will happy to help you. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.